Stop using our competitors' 11-gauge landscape staples that bend in hard soil. Use Sandbaggy 9-gauge staples instead. They are made of low-carbon 9-gauge steel and are 20% thicker than our competitors' staples and helps drive through hard and rocky soil. The sharp chisel points help drive the staple into the ground with minimal effort. They're great for many applications, including installing all kinds of landscape fabrics, erosion control matting, bird netting, artificial turf, and drip irrigation. They can secure PVC pipes and drip tubing up to 1 inch in diameter. We recommend separating each staple 2 to 4 feet using a rubber mallet for easy installation. Save time and effort with Sandbaggy staples. We carry a full line of staples from 6 to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils and keep millions of units in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 best-selling brand of landscape staples on the internet. Sandbaggy staples are trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.